At Astro, we specialize in stainless steel and aluminum. Why are those some top skills to have for welding?
Yeah, so stainless is very easy to burn. If you weld it too hot, it'll burn the elements out of it, and it won't have that same resistance to rust that it should. That can actually make a weaker weld too. Same with aluminum. If it gets too hot or if it's too cold, you're just not going to have the correct penetration. Aluminum's weird to weld just because you're just melting it together, and it's very, there's a lot of air pockets in aluminum. So that's where you got to keep that stuff clean. You got to make sure your filler rod's clean, and you don't want any contaminants getting in that aluminum. It's just going to cause you a lot of problems, porosity, and it's just not going to weld very nice.
How do you keep them clean?
We use acetone to prep our material, and then also just making sure that if we use any sort of coating on our abrasives, that is cleaned off before we weld into it.